I'm Mr. Duck, and today this is Duck's Nature Valley. And today we're in Bigfoot's murder forest. Right now we're at Shrek's swamp. Right now he's taking over this territory, but Bigfoot, he won't stand a chance against Shrek. Bigfoot's just a stupid Bigfoot. Shrek will. Okay. All right. We'll see you when we get deeper into the woods. Right now, this is the beaver dam. Look at it. That's where Shrek starts building these dams for all the beavers. Because the beavers don't know how to do anything. All right? See, they built this whole dam right here. Right now we can't see any of the beavers.
It's currently standing on top of a sewer pipeline.
What's that smell? It smells like sewage. No, this is it's over! Let's run! Stop recording! Right here we have the natural beaver's munching spot. Shut up! All right.
Stop yelling.
All right, now see we have the natural beaver's. I'm tasting the beaver's mouth. All right, this is the beaver's munching spot.
Hey, just relax, man.
Hey, right now this is all the cars that Bigfoot killed people. And now, oh, I think that's Bigfoot right now. Oh my God, it's Bigfoot! It's Bigfoot, man! We have to run! Stop recording! Right now, I just found the rare brickleberry berry. Let me try it. Don't try this! No, don't try it!
Are you okay?
Get off me, slime! Get off me! Now what do? Pick up this. Pick this stick up and beat yourself with it. You're not getting free until next month. Hey! Now let's go to the cameraman and tell him that everything's okay. All right, hey, no. No. Hey, cameraman. You are recording us, right? Okay, good. All right, now you can stop recording. For real, you can stop recording. You can stop recording. Get off me! You hear that? It's the calling of Shrek's call. That's the calling of Shrek's call. Now we better start running. Alright. Oh God, it's the ogre.
That's just Magic Goose.
Alright, stop recording now. Another month, you have to stay in the basement. No!
I can go back to my family. You're hurting me.
Listen to me! You're not going. Another month. You're gonna post videos on your channel to get rid of suspicion. Hey, stop recording me! Stop recording me!
Ow!
Stop recording.
Poke him with a stick.
He's dead.
As of right now, I am, you guys are like the Nature Valley with Mr. Duck. I have not died. I faked it, and I just had to take care of some business right now. What do you, please let me out. Get in the basement like I said. You didn't listen to me. Get down. Oh, I'm sorry for the inconvenience right now. It's just that my slave, I mean friend, he decided to come up and he just aggravated. I told him to go back downstairs and leave me alone. And yeah, that's all I had to say. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Alright, I'll see you guys in another video.